All right, so we're going to take the derivative here. So f prime of x should be equal to 6x squared minus 24x minus 72. I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Okay, don't get scared. It was just a sneeze. All right, remember what we're going to do now. We're going to take that derivative and we're going to set it equal to that number right there, right? Because it says f prime of c is equal to that mean slope. That's the mean slope that we're looking at. So that should be equal to a negative 34. So now we're going to add 34 on both sides. And we end up with 6x squared minus 24x, whatever negative 72 and 34 is. So let me clear this. Negative 72 plus 34, negative 38 is equal to 0. So let me just do this over here. 6x squared minus 24x minus 38 equals 0. I don't know. I'm going to at least divide them by 2 just to make my numbers a little bit smaller. So 3x squared minus 12x minus 19 equals 0. And just by looking at the answers that they gave you here, this is telling me we're going to use something like the quadratic formula. So remember, this is my A, my B, and my C. So negative B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC over 2A. So if B is negative 12, negative B would be a positive 12. Plus or minus, let's see, negative 12 squared minus 4 times A times C all over 2 times A. So I now have x equals 12 plus or minus, that's a 144. 4 times 3 times 19. 4 times 3 times 19 is 228 plus 228 all over 6. I believe is what we had, yeah. X is equal to 12 plus or minus square root, whatever 144 plus 228 is. Okay, and then we got to take the square root of that. So I'm gonna go to, I don't know, 4 decimal places, I guess. 19.2873. So let me fix this. We already took the square root. Plus or minus 19.2783 is, I believe, is what we had, all over 6. And then we'll get the two answers, the one when we plus and the one when we minus. So 12 plus 19.2873, divide that by 6, 5.2146 if I go to 4 decimal places. 5.2146, and then we'll do the one when we have to subtract. So 12 minus 19.2873, divide that by 6, negative 1.246. Negative 1.2, I'm missing something here, where is it? Negative 1.2146. 2146. Oops, there's the smaller one, there's the bigger one. So I come back, boom, there's the smaller one, there's the bigger one. So yeah, you were setting it equal to 0. You need to set it equal to that number right there.